Like this. Come on, baby. Come on, come on. I was hoping they'd fly, but they didn't. They know what's in that container. Here, let me... Ow, y'all rough. Give the chickens a treat. Ow! Right there. Nothing for you. No, that's enough. Anybody that raises chickens know this, but if you don't, if you come outside and you let your chickens free range, they will stay right by your side. If I move, they move. They'll stay within the vicinity at least. Or right up your butt. They know what's in that container. It's a mealworm. I ain't gonna give you the whole thing. My pet chickens. He still wants that mealworm over there. Yeah, it's a cool fall day. I'm just chilling out today. A day off. Didn't really accomplish much of nothing except relaxing. Come out here and mess around with the chickens. See you YouTube.